In this video, we'll see the next type of recording, that is inside recording. That's a new recording type which is introduced into HP UFT, Unified Functional Testing, the newer versions. Whereas in the previous versions of QTP, you didn't have this topic, that is inside recording. Now, what does this inside recording does is, whatever actions you record, whatever things you record on the objects, that will be captured as a snapshot. That snapshot will behave as an object and it will be stored into the object repository. So let us see that. I'll record the same application calculator and I'll try to click on the same things which I've done for the previous recording. So let us see that. I'll just click on this record button. I'll get this recording toolbar. So from this place, I'll just click on this drop down and I'll select the fourth type of recording, inside recording. I'll click on that. Now the inside recording has started. What I'll do is, I'll try to click on few areas. I'll click on this one. I'll click on this 5. Click C, MC. Okay. I'll click on this view tab, view menu bar, and I'll click on this scientific. Again, view menu bar, click on this standard, and then that's it. I'll just click on this stop. So our recording is stopped now. Now what exactly happened was, when I started recording, this scripts were generated and there was something as window calculator. Till here it is fine. Now they have said as inside object. Now earlier there was Windows objects, earlier there was Windows menu bar. Now they have considered as Windows, that is inside object. Every object they have captured the snapshot. Now if you want to understand what exactly they have captured the snapshot they are captured and dot click, dot click, dot click. Everywhere they have said as dot click. So what I'll do is, I'll just double click on any one snapshot. Let's say if I double click on this, it will open this object repository. And in the object repository, if you see, there are so many objects inside object 1, 2, 3, 4 till they have captured 7 objects. Every object has captured a snapshot, okay, and based on that snapshot, it is trying to identify the object. Let's say if I click on this inside object, it has captured 1. If I click on this 2, it has captured something better than, not properly. So actually it didn't properly capture, it should capture as 5. If I click on this object, so it has captured something. So what I can do is, if I want to modify that snapshot, you can modify that. Suppose you want specific C to be captured, so you can do this. You can just click on this button. Once you click on this button, it helps you to find out, it helps you to recognize the object. It can ask you to minimize or maximize the space. So from here, what you can do is, you can select the images whichever you want. So I don't want any one image from here because the snapshots are not proper. I can reduce the size like this. Okay, I can reduce the size manually. Okay, you can see the difference here. I'll just again reduce the size here. Yeah, from your mouse you can reduce and see. Okay, once I properly do that, and after that you can see these are the different images it has given, best choice whichever you can select. So I can select, let's say this C, okay, and I can click on this save button. So you see, the earlier it was surrounding and it was capturing multiple images, snapshots, but now it has been properly trimmed and it can capture it, right? So I can just click on this close button. So now what has happened is, if the image changes, then only the inside recording will work, because earlier default normal and analog were not working properly for this calculator option. It was trying to capture as button 2, button 3, but now it is something more specific. It says these are the snapshots, these are the images. If I find this images, I'll keep on clicking and executing my test, right? So that time this inside recording can be used. So I hope you're able to understand what is the difference between the 4 types of recording and what is exactly the inside recording. Right now, that's all for this video.